Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and one of the more interesting stories to come out of Mobile World Congress this year is foldable devices. It's something that's been teased in CES back in Las Vegas, but now mainstream companies are starting to develop them and actually plan on launching them this year. One of the more interesting ones is the Huawei Mate X. Now this particular device isn't one we managed to get our own hands on, sadly. We did get to see it in action and we got some of the specs, but not all of them. Now this folding device, it folds outwards using a falcon wing hinge, so it does move really smoothly. And when closed, it makes quite a compelling smartphone size and shape. It's only 11mm thick when it's folded, but it's got a 6.6-inch screen on one side and a 6.38-inch screen on the other. And when you open them up, it makes an 8-inch, almost square OLED display. And then obviously you can use this as a tablet. Inside there's a 4500 mAh battery to keep it going. And as well as being big, it also charges really quickly. It uses a 55-watt version of Huawei Supercharge, so that can get it from 0 to 80% in about 30 minutes. There's a Kirin 980 processor, but they haven't told us how much RAM is going to be alongside that, but we do know that it's a 5G capable phone. Apart from that, we don't know that many details. There's not a specific launch date yet. They've said it's coming at some point in 2019, and that could mean basically anything. We don't know the specs of the cameras either, but as soon as we know more, we'll let you know. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon.